Hey guys, this is Gab, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Gardenia classic white bread into something special. So if you want to know how, please keep on watching. Hey guys, as I have mentioned, I'll be showing you how to make your Gardenia classic white bread into something special. So I'll be giving you two recipes. One is yung garlic bread, and the second one is yung classic toast na matamis na gawa ng brown sugar. For our first recipe, here is the garlic bread recipe. So ito yung mga kailangan natin. So unang-una sa lahat, ang ating classic Gardenia white bread. Second one is garlic. Chinop-chop ko na siya into smaller pieces. And ang star, Margarine Classic. You can also use butter, but yan kasing available sa amin ngayon. So, let's start. Una, kuha lang tayo ng slice ng bread. And mag-slice tayo. Lalagyan natin yung margarine. Ito na ang magiging itsura niya. After natin magawa yun, diba, sobrang dali lang. Lalagyan natin siya sa toaster oven for at least 7 or 10 minutes. Basta mag-melt lang and medyo mag-golden brown yung... Basta makikita nyo naman kung okay na siya. Pero from time to time, i-check nyo din. Basta matunaw lang yung margarine and medyo mag-toast yung gilid. Makikita nyo naman mag-brown siya. So, ayan. So, habang hinihintay natin na mag-toast yung garlic bread, gagawin muna natin yung classic na sweet toast gamit yung brown sugar. So, here's the recipe. Again, you need the classic white bread ng Gardenia, star margarine ulit or butter, and instead of garlic, we'll use naman brown sugar as I have mentioned. So yes, let's start. Again, same procedure. Lalagyan lang din ulit natin ng margarine yung breads natin. Lang yung garlic bread, but this time it's brown sugar, so maybe niya. And same lang din, lalagyan lang din natin siya sa oven for at least 7 or 10 minutes, basta tatansyahin nyo lang. And makikita nyo naman na medyo parang mag-melt din yung butter together with the sugar and mag-brown yung gilid niya. Huwag nyo masyadong i-over-cook doon sa oven kasi titiga siya. We want that crispy pero sa gitna malambot. So after 7 minutes doon sa loob ng toaster, here is our finished product. Ayan. Tamang-tama siya pang merienda or kapag gutom. Actually, ang sarap nila kasi talaga pang merienda. Lalo na pag may coffee or juice kapag garlic bread naman. So, that's it guys. See you on my next video. Bye!